की खूब और का बातें से टीवी लवन राशि तक Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
Dakababu Ahmad Iqac ban Imin Siemi ki samla ki bamdon kam don jam bakin tip ikilat kilinti Halor kilat sengkam sengjam ke Ribhoi College lingba ke Entrepreneurship Development Center bak IQAC haka khatkhandai terik nailar arja arpsa kila ai ke Jinghikai ke bakarpang ki samla puli Halor kilat sengkam sengjam Halor kapang exploring opportunities yakani ki Jinghikai ke balai singi kinti la pli pai ba du Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi District o Abhilash Baranwal ubalalong kongsan ringkat ke Jingsak hilang ju Principal ke College u EC Beni ke Principal jong ke Alpha Higher Secondary School Nongpo kong W Bla IQAC Coordinator jong ke Ribhoi College ke kong W Nongkenri lambe ki samla puli ne ki slam puli baper ke them Ribhoi.
Any nation, any state can only go forward on the basis of productivity of its youth. Honorable Prime Minister of India and Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya both are driven by the same vision that youth should aspire to become job providers instead of job seekers. And that's basically about shifting the perspective, shifting how we approach livelihood, how we approach basically the entire career that is spawning in front of us. If you go to places like Gujarat, especially Gujarat and some parts of Maharashtra, you'll realize that government job is not really the most fancied career over there. It's not even a private job. Rather, it's the entrepreneurship, rather is creating their own business, is basically charting their own career, is what is most fascinating to them. In fact, so much so that the literacy rate amongst the Gujarati male youth especially is considerably lower than the other states of the country, for the simple reason because after class 12, after let's say their graduation, they drop out and they pursue their own business. So, I mean, I understand that it's easier said than done. It's easy to say that start your own business. It's easy to say that become a job provider. However, the Entrepreneurship Development Center, as I have been given to understand, is basically to provide you the same confidence. The objective of this EDC should be to provide you the necessary toolkit, and through that toolkit the necessary confidence so that you can venture out in the unknown journey. Apart from that, obviously you'll need some support in terms of capital, you'll need some support in terms of guidance. For that, again at the state level you have Prime program, you have Champion Entrepreneurship program of CM Sir, in which those who have an exciting entrepreneurial journey, they are identified, they are handheld, they are trained, and they are provided all sorts of support, which includes mentorship, which includes capital, so that the teething troubles, what we call, they are overcome.